Now to the latest on the pandemic tonight. Nearly 49,000 New Yorkers testing positive for COVID yesterday. Western New York staying flat the past several days, seeing a 7-day average positivity rate of right around 23%. The Finger Lakes also staying flat, sitting at nearly 20%.
Hospitals tell the bigger story, and tonight Governor Kathy Hochul says hospitalizations are continuing to grow, but the pace of growth is slowing. The most recent data from the weekend showed 43% of people in hospitals statewide are COVID-19 patients. Of particular concern is all the children being admitted. 91% of kids in hospital with COVID are unvaccinated.
It is hard to think of our own children being in a hospital alone, scared at night, wondering why they're there. It's unnecessary. That is what I'm pleading with parents to recognize. They all have to be vaccinated to go to kindergarten. There's not a single child sitting in school who's not been vaccinated. There's no difference. It's just a different timing.
If you do test positive for COVID, don't expect a phone call from the state or the county health department. With the infection rate being so high, you're instead being asked to follow local and CDC quarantine recommendations.
And while the U.S. has been shattering its own daily COVID case records, Canada also struggling to control the spread. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has now placed Canada in its highest risk category for travel due to rising COVID cases. According to Johns Hopkins University, last week Canada reported its highest weekly total of COVID cases of the pandemic. Canada joins more than 80 other destinations in that level 4 category. The demand for free COVID-19 at-home test kits is absolutely exploding. People are waiting in long lines for hours at distribution sites. 7 News reporter Ryan Arbogast catching up with neighbors willing to brave the cold to get their hands on these highly coveted kits.
This is serious. I lost my daughter. And I would advise everybody to come up here and get this test kit.
11,000 test kits gone in a matter of hours as the city of Buffalo distributed its first round of at-home COVID tests.
We need this for a lot of people to wake up and say this is real. This is not a joke.
The town of Hamburg also taking part, and in less than an hour, they were gone. Emergency Services tells me they had enough for roughly 10% of the area's residents.
From our understanding, this is the first shipment, and we're going to learn from this experience and make sure that we are ready for the high demand that's going to come with these mass distributions in the future.
Sites in North Tonawanda and Amherst, plus others across Niagara County over the weekend, overwhelmed and turning people away.
We know that it is not enough. We've asked the county to work with us on getting more. They've agreed to do that. So hopefully in the near future we will get more test kits to make available to residents of the city of Buffalo.
But there's no use stockpiling these tests. They typically expire after about 3 months. And make sure to bring the test to room temperature before using. Otherwise, the sub-zero temperatures like the ones today could affect the results. Ryan Arbogast, 7 News.
Here are 2 new at-home test handout options for those who live in Akron. Both are tomorrow. One is at the Village Hall. The second is at the Senior Center. That is located on Cummings Road. Now, we know many of you want to know how you can get reimbursed for one of those at-home test kits if you have to buy them from the store. So take note, as of this Saturday, a new rule from the Biden administration allows you to submit receipts for up to 8 at-home tests to your private health home insurer. Any test purchased before Saturday is not eligible for that reimbursement. And you can track all the latest COVID trends, including test giveaways, plus information on test and vaccine sites. It's available right now for you at WKBW.com.